Davido have the best album in 2025, whether you like it or not. Wizkid don't drop, Burna Boy drop, but at the end of the day, you see say Davido still dey far ahead. When you dey make analysis like this, you need to remove sentiment and emotions. Whether na this person be your favorite or not, just see things for the way they be. Wizkid album not get hit song, but e get replay value. If Wizkid album get hit song, if you not dey bias, measure the hit song wey dey inside the album, make we know. This will not be the issue of you love Davido, you love Wizkid. Let's be sincere. The Burna Boy album, the problem with Burna Boy album be say he used the album to chase clout. So he not really he was chasing clout, thinking say the clout go sell out the album. But at the end of the day, people not really send that like that. Because how you go drop album and 2 track for the album and this track? The one, the MD, that one at this track for Sophia. Then the other one, No Sign of Weakness, this track for Davido. So you say the album is not really more about its own personal content, but you just want chase clout with the album, and the album not really meet up with the expectation. Because people were really expecting more. You know that guy Burna Boy now, and I think I say this Burna Boy album, now one of the lowest albums so far. The album not really meet up with expectation before God and man. You know that. So then why Davido album, it gets international hit song. The one feature on Malay all over the world. Are they London? Are they Manchester? Everywhere they blast that song everywhere. Before God and man, they blast the song everywhere. And I know say Davido don't go. He don't go, he not there here again. You know understand? Then he still get Awuke as a hit song, national hit. He still get Fons, feature Odumodu Black, and Shike. The album still get Bidesti, that one with Honor Me, Geh Geh, that track with Honor Me. The album still get all this hit song will be say that they inside the album. So album will not get more than 4 to 5 hit songs. Plus other songs will be say still get the replay value. My brother, that is a very amazing album. And I really give Davido 100 for this one. Because even when they drop this album newly, before God, I might not even expect say the album go perform like this. You know that's so. Before I forget, 9 days from now, I go break my Toto fasting. If you be gay, and you feel help me with your Toto, let me know. Send me a DM. I go respond to you. When it comes to Toto matter, I'm very, very generous. You know understand? Send me a DM. There's a way you can contribute to help me break the fasting. God bless you.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else. Smash that button now.